I am Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. Every month, there's a list of things you should do to keep your home in top condition. Little maintenance tips. So here are your maintenance schedule for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for October. 1. Drain outdoor hoses and store them for winter. 2. Clean and cover outdoor furniture. 3. Inspect your roof and clean off any debris. 4. Test outdoor lighting and replace timers for shorter daylight hours. 5. Check and insulate exposed pipes to prevent freezing. 6. Replace weather stripping on windows and doors. 7. Stock up on firewood and check fireplace tools. 8. Inspect and clean your gutters one final time before heavy leaf fall.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.